Fourth one is dangling pointer. Yeah. Fifth one is function pointer or complex pointer. Sixth one is far pointer, near pointer, use pointer. These 8 pointers are there, guys. Okay. Now, once to go through these types of pointers, anyway, I will discuss later these topics. Okay. Next topic is what, guys? Arrays. We discuss arrays, guys, today. What are the remaining topics we are going to discuss, right? Types of pointer. Once go through these arrays, strings, functions, next structures, unions, synonyms. These are the other topics we are going to discuss about, guys. Okay. Arrays, another 4 or 5 hours, 4 sessions. It takes 4 or 5 sessions. Okay, we'll finish these sessions, these classes. Total C. Okay, no? Guys. First one is arrays. We start arrays, guys. Okay, now. Once go through these pointers, guys. I will discuss anyway. Arrays. Next topic is arrays. Right? We are going to discuss about the 1D arrays. Single dimensional arrays. 1D arrays or single dimensional arrays. Write some points about arrays. Arrays declarations we discussed. Declarations and initializations. So today we discuss, guys. Okay, no? Yes. What is array? Array is a collection of similar data type of element. Array is a collection of similar data type of elements. Okay. Yeah. Definition is that, guys. Next, syntax. Syntax of arrays. Data type, array name. This is size. We need to mention size, guys. For example, int a of 5. Yeah. What is the a, guys? Array name is a. That is nothing but a pointer, guys. What is size? Array size is 5 elements. Array size is size of a. What is size of a, guys? 5 into size of integer. 5 into 2 bytes here. 5 into 2, 10 bytes. Total 10 bytes will be allocated. Okay, no? This is array size, guys. This is the first property. Okay. It creates 5 variables. Creates 5 variables. They are, what are those 5 variables, guys? It creates 5 variables. They are, what are those 5 variables? Now I will show in the diagram. See this. This is a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, and a of 3. This a of 0, right? A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4. Okay, A is a address, guys. A is a base address it points. For example, what is base address? If you mention this address, guys, 1000, 1002, 1004, 1006, 1008. This value is stored in 2 bytes, 1001 and 1002. This value is stored in 2 bytes, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 9, 1002, 1009. Total 10 bytes, guys. Okay, array index starts from 0 and ends with size minus 1. Array index starts with 0, ends with size minus 1. Yeah, write this diagram on this. And all values are garbage value. This value is how much, guys? Garbage value. This is garbage. This is garbage. All values are garbage values. Draw this diagram, guys. Guys, write all values are garbage values. Guys, second one. Okay, now array index starts with zeros, ends with size minus 1. Yeah, second index, guys. First, clear? First point. Write a first point. Array index starts with array size must be an unsigned integer. I will write it first, right? This diagram completed. Next one. Right. Array size must be an unsigned integer which is greater than 0. This is a unsigned integer range. Array size must be an unsigned integer which is greater than 0. Second point, can I write like this? Int a of 0. We check it, guys. See once. int a of 0. Is it valid or not? We check it, guys. Once compile, one error. What is the error, guys? Array must have at least one element. Okay, error. What is the error, guys? Array must have at least one element. Third one, guys. How to write third one? Can I write int a of -3? Negative indexes. We check it, guys. Int a of -3. -3 elements. Again error. This is also array must have at least one element. Okay, no? We can't write a of 0 because it's a with 0 elements we can't create. Yeah, we can't create with 0 elements, right? Error it is. Fourth one, guys. Can I write a int a of 2 less than 3? What is 2 less than 3, guys? 2 less than 3, nothing but a int a of 1. True, right? True means 1. This is valid. Int a of 2 less than 3. I will show you, guys. Can I write what is 2 less than 3? What is 2 less than 3? 1, right? Then it is valid. 0 warning, 0 errors. Next, fifth one. Int a of 2 greater than 3. What is 2 greater than 3? Int a of 0 it is. What is int a of 0? Error it is. Because 2 greater than 3. Can I write 2 greater than 3? One error. Array must have at least one element. 2 greater than 3 is error. 2 less than 3 is a valid. Clear? Sixth one, guys. Next index. Now next declaration. These are we are discussing declaration, guys. 2 plus 3. What is 2 plus 3? Is it valid or not, guys? 2 plus 3 is 5. Now expression will be executed first. What is inside expression will be executed first. 2 plus 3. What is 2 plus 3 is a 5. Int a of 5. Can I write 2 plus 3? Yes, guys. 2 plus 3 is valid. No errors, no warnings. Clear? No warnings, no errors. 2 plus 3 is a valid. Next one, seventh one. Guys, next one. Seventh one. What is next one? See? Can I write int a of 3 comma 4? Yeah, what is 3 comma 4, guys? Yes, sir. Comma operator returns the right side value. Int a of 4 is a valid. 2 plus 3 is valid. Okay, no? 2 plus 3 is valid. Int a of 4 is valid. 3 comma 4. What is 3 comma 4? Now, which one it takes? I want to know, guys. Comma operator, no? I want to print the size of A. You can understand like this. Percentile D, size of A. If you write size of A. If you get to 6 bytes, then it takes 3. If you take that is 8 bytes, then it is a 4. For 8 bytes, it is giving, no? Rahul. Now it takes 4. Because 3 comma 4, comma operator, no? 3 comma 4, comma operator. Next, eighth one, guys. Okay, what is eighth one? Can I write int 4.5 elements? 4.5, guys. No, error, right? Constant expression 4.5. Can I create a 4.5 elements? Can I write int of 4.5? One error. Constant expression required. This is 4.5 is error. Clear, guys? What is the error? Constant expression required. Next, ninth one, guys. Can I write int of n? What is n, guys? N is a variable. Can I declare a variable here? Int of n is 5. We check it, guys. Int n is 5. Variables expressions are valid or not. Can I declare int of n? Now I am going to write n. What is n value, guys? Int n is 5. Once compile this is error. Constant expression required. Error it is. Okay, now variable expressions are error. Right? Error is what? Constant expression required. Variable expressions are not allowed. Variable expressions are not allowed. Not allowed as a size. Okay, na? But yeah, Pragit, I did not understand.
So you have used the variable a, sir, instead of n.
Not like this. This one, a of n. This is not valid. Variable expressions are not allowed as a size. But as for ANSYS, guys, in some compilers it accepts. I will show you that also. As per ANSYS, okay, this kind of declaration is not allowed. But in some compilers accept this kind of declaration. I will show you also. Yeah, as per ANSYS, arrays are static in size. Arrays are static in size. Means at compile time we need to mention the size of the array. Okay, as per ANSYS, this is this kind of declaration not allowed, guys. As per ANSYS, okay. Why it's not right? See, arrays are static in size. That is a disadvantage of array, guys. What is the disadvantage? Static. Compile time, you need to mention the size. We can't decrease the size of the array at runtime. That is, arrays are static in size. That means at compile time, we need to mention the size of the array. Runtime cannot be modified. That is the meaning, right? But some compilers accept this kind of declaration. I will show you what kind of declaration. See, guys. For example, see, online GDB compiler is there. Yeah. Can I write here, guys? It allows this kind of declaration. Int n is 5. Scanf or int a of n. It allows this kind of declaration. I will show you. You can select C. See, what is the size of array? Can I print this here? It takes 4 bytes, guys. Size of integer. Percentile size of a for our understanding. Okay, size of a 5 into 4, 20 bytes it shows, because this compiler takes this is 20 bytes. See this. It is allowing this kind of, it is not giving any errors. They are not errors, warnings it is showing. That's a warning. Okay, no? Are you following, guys? This kind of declaration some compilers allows, but as for ANSYS, this kind of declaration is not allowed. Okay. Yeah, constant expression, variable expressions are not allowed. Variable expressions are not. Yeah, Ramana. Tell me. Yeah. Can I declare like this, guys? Constant integer. We have constant int n is 5. This kind of declaration also not allowed as per ANSYS. Constant integer and constant variables means not constant series. Constant expression means not constant variables. I declare constant. Yeah, compile this. If I compile, now it gives the what? Now you are checking this kind of declaration, right? Once check it gets error, it is same error, constant expression required, not constant variables. Okay, this is also error. Okay, same reason. Guys. Variable expressions are not allowed. That is 10th one. Yeah, 11th one, guys. 9th completed. That point completed, guys. Guys, completed. Yeah. Can I write int of 40,000? Is it valid or not, guys? Int of 40,000. Guys, is it valid? If I declare int of int of 40,000. Yeah. What is the, for example, how many variables it creates, guys? 40,000. But this variable stored in where? Stack area. What is stack size? In pointers, I explained, guys. Where is this point? What is the size, right? You know, stack size, guys. In pointers, we discussed variable stored in stack area. Last class in pointers, I discussed. This is a stack structure. What is the range? How many bytes it is having? This is a 16-bit compiler. This is 2 power 16 minus 1. 2 power 16 minus 1. That range also I have given. What is the range, guys? 0 to 65,535. Okay, no? 0 to 65,535. That is the range. Okay? Yeah. What is the question now? What is the question now? Int of 40,000. Can you write int of 40,000? Is it valid or not, guys? We check it. Yeah. It creates 40,000 variables. Creates 40,000 variables. Which variable require 2 bytes? Total 40,000 into 80,000 bytes required for this kind of allocation, right? But stack size is 65,535 bytes only. Yeah, Tuljesh. Are you following, guys? Stack size is different. Stack size is 65,535 bytes only. Okay. This is a error, guys. This kind of declaration is error. Why error, guys? There is no sufficient space in the stack. There is no sufficient space in the stack. Okay. Can I write int of series? I will show you. Can I write int of 40,000? Right. Error it is. What is error? Array size is too large. Yeah. Clear? Huh? What is error? Array size is too large. Now then what is the maximum size of maximum size of array? Maximum size of integer array. Yeah, that is int of stack size by, right? Stack size by integer size. This is a maximum size, guys. Okay, now stack size by integer size. What is stack size, guys? Int of 65,535 by 2 bytes. Yeah, what is the max size? Int of 32,767. If you do like this, guys, you get this is the max size of integer array. Int of 32,767 only. Once compile and check it, can I write a int of 32,767? Once compile, no errors, guys. No warnings. This is a valid. Are you following? How many bytes? You can see the output. Yeah. How many bytes? How many bytes it will be shown? This is 65,534 bytes. Okay, no? With percentile, we can't print that range. That's why I use the percentile, you guys. Okay, no? Are you following, guys? How many bytes it takes? Percentile you only can take. Yeah. What is the max size of integer array? This one is the max size of integer array. 11th completed, 12th one. Can I write a character array of 40,000? Character array of 40,000. Is it valid or not, guys? Integer is not valid, but character is valid or not. Guys, complete the next one. Character array of 40,000. Is it valid or not, guys? Yeah, 40,000 bytes. It's a valid, guys. What is the max size? Character array of 65,535 is the max size. Next, these are the declaration, guys. We declare array initializations. different kind of initializations. What we can do. The 13th one, guys. Can I write like this? Int a of 3 equals to, let's check it, 10, 20, 30. Is it valid? Guys, tell me, 13th one is valid, right? Yeah, good. 14th one, guys. Tell me 14th one. Int a of 3 equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Is it valid, guys? 14th one? 14th one. Pragati. Yeah, 14th one is error. Why error, guys? Size is 3. Yeah. See, guys, can I write an int a of 3 equals to? Can I write a 10, 20, 30? It's a valid, guys. It's a valid. No errors, no warning. But we did not print that value. That is a we declared, but we did not use it. That's why it is showing error, right? The 6 bytes it shows because 3 values, 3 into 2 bytes, 6. Okay, na? Yeah, next one, guys. But you initialized 4, right? That is error. Too many initializers. We need to initialize 3, guys. We need to initialize 3, but you initialized 4. Error it is. What is the error, guys? Too many initializers. 15th one. Can I write the int a of, guys? 15th one. Can I write like this? Error it is. Declaration. Declaration is error. In array declaration, array size is mandatory. Array size is mandatory. Int a of declaration, guys. This is 15th one. See, this is, I don't want to give a size, guys. Can I write like this? It's an error. Size of a is unknown or 0. We can't, not an allowed type it is giving, right? 3 errors. Size of a is unknown or 0. Not an allowed type. But 16th one, you can check it, guys. What is 16th one? Int a of equals to 10, 20, 30. This is what I did not mention the size here. 15th one, declaration. 16th one is valid. What, Sanjay? Valid. Compiler calculates the size. Yes, yes. Yeah. In array initialization, size is optional. Size is optional. Okay, na? Yeah. For example, if you want size, guys, how to calculate manually, guys? Tell me what is size? How to calculate size? Guys, can you tell how to find out the size? Three. We know manually. We know these three, guys. For example, some array is there. We don't know the numbers. How many we have? Yeah, guys. How to know the size?
Hello.
Guys, how to know the size of this array? Total size. Find out total size, guys. Yeah, total size by one element size. Okay, na? Size of A. What is size of A, guys? We get total size. What is total size? 6 by size of one element. Take one element, guys. Now total size of A means 6 by 2. What is 6 by 2? Then answer will get 3. This is a 16th one, guys. What is 17th one, guys? Yeah, only without declaring which one is allowed, guys, without mentioning a size. For example, this is error right now. This is error. Only it allows which one, guys? Extern. We declare extern, then it is valid, guys. Sorry, this is what size you can't find out. Size you can't find out. Warning 0, error 0. Other than extern, if you write anything, it is a valid, invalid, guys. Now I have written auto. This is error. Can I write static? Static also error. Only without mentioning the size. How to declare array, guys? Declaration. Extern int a. This is valid, guys. We can declare using extern keyword without mentioning the size. How to declare array without mentioning the size? How to declare the array? Yeah, this is a declaration using extern keyword. This is called storage class. Using extern storage class. Using extern storage class, guys. Okay, 17th one is this. Clear, guys? This 15th, 16th completed. 17th. Eighteenth one. Right, what is the 18th one, guys? Guys, completed. Next 18th one. See this. Can I write a int a of guys? Can I write a int a of 5 equals to, or int a of 5 equals to? Can I declare like this, guys? 10, only one element. Is it valid or not, guys? Int a of 10. Is it valid, guys? 18th one. Yeah, what are the other elements? Yeah, very good. Kirti. Not garbage value, Sanjay. Rest of elements are zeros. Yeah. For example, if you did not write this also, I did not declare this, just a declaration that is garbage values. If you one element you initialized, rest of elements are zeros. The diagram also, guys. See, first element is 10, you have 0. Remaining elements. This is 10, guys. Garbage. It is also garbage. is also garbage. It is also garbage, right? Uh, what is this declaration, guys? What is this declaration? In array initialization, when you are not passing, when we are not passing sufficient elements to the array, rest of elements, it initializes to 0. Rest of elements, it initializes to, sorry, I did not mention garbage. It's not garbage, guys. This is a 10. Rest of elements are zeros. I mentioned garbage, right? Whenever we are not passing, sufficient elements, to the array, rest of elements, it initializes to, compiler initializes to 0. Compiler, guys, remember, it means compiler initializes to 0. Rest of elements, it initializes to 0. Whenever we are not passing sufficient elements to the array, rest of elements, it initializes to 0. Compiler initializes to 0. Completed. 18th, 19th, guys. Right, 18th one, 19th one. When it is garbage, Pragati, if you did not mention anything, A of 5, then all values are garbage values. Okay, no? I did not pass even one single element, then all elements are zeros. Yeah, next. If it is for integer, okay, guys. What about character? Now, can I take character A of 5? What are the rest of elements? I initialize first element is A. Yeah, guys, for this also diagram. Okay, character A of 5 equals to A. First element is A. This is A, guys. What are the rest of elements? Rest of elements, guys, /0. This is /0. This is /0. This is /0. Remaining elements. All elements are /0s. Whenever it is float, for example, 20th one. If I take 20th one is what? Float A of 5 equals to 4.5. One element you initialized. Yeah, what are rest of elements? 0.0 corresponding values. It initializes with the corresponding value. 4.5, 0.0, 0.0, 0.0. First element is what, guys? 4.5. This element is 0.0. This element is 0.0. This element is 0.0. This element is 0.0. Okay, na? Corresponding values it initializes. 20th one. Yeah, next. Yeah, 20th one completed. 21st one, guys. Next one. 4 percentile 2. Abdul. Yeah, what is 4 percentile 2? Abdul, check it once. 0 or not. 4 percentile 2. First expression will be evaluated. 4 percentile 2. What is 4 percentile? 0, right? Error. What is array? Array must have at least one element. This value will be initialized first. Right? That is 0. Clear, guys? 20 first one. Next one, guys. 20th completed. What is 20th one? This is a float A of right? Float A of 5 equals to 4.5. 21st one. What is 21st one, guys? Can I write like this? Character A of 5 equals to array of 3. Can I write like this, guys? A, B, C. Is it valid, guys? 21st one. Guys, tell me 21st one is valid or not. I'll write some declarations. Tell me, guys. 21st one, 22nd one. Yeah, I will write those declarations. Tell me what are the valid or what are invalid. This is 22nd one, 23rd one. 23rd one, 24th one. 24th one, 25th one. This is 25th one. Guys, tell me which one from 21st one onwards. Tell me all, guys. Yeah, guys, which one is valid? Yeah, see this. 21st one is error because they are variables. 22nd one is valid. 23rd one. What is 23rd one, guys? Valid. 65, 66, 67. What is 65, 65, 66, 67? ABC takes. Yeah, this is valid. 24th one. What is 24th one? This is also valid, guys. This is 0, 1, 2. It takes the characters. But 0, 1, 2 we can write. But we can't write these values. This is error. 10 is not a character. 20 is not a character. 30 is not a character. Okay, na? Yeah, 26th one, guys. Can I write 26th one? This is string array, guys. Can I take string array? Character array of 5 equals to or character array of 3 equals to, or can I write like this? A of 4. This is ABCD. ABC valid, huh? This is valid, guys. 27th. This is called string, guys. A of 4 equals to, can I write ABCD? Valid but garbage value. Valid but garbage value. Twenty-eighth one. What is 28th one, guys? Character A of 4 equals to ABCD. This is error. Yeah. Here we need to give one space for null character, guys. This is string array. This is string array, guys. Character array. This is string. What is difference between character array and string? This is valid. Right. What is the difference between character array and string? Right? Yeah, what is character array and string? Difference is what, guys? Character array doesn't occupy space. Yeah, character array doesn't occupy space. But string it occupies. But string occupies space. Okay, that is the difference. No, space means I'm talking about Kali. I'm talking about memory. Space means memory linga. దీనికి 4 ఇస్తే 4 లో ఒకటి you need to give space for one, guys. We need to give space for one character. That is the meaning. Okay, when you are working with this character, no need to give a space for null character. Clear? Yeah, next one, right? How to access array elements, guys. Yeah, guys, we write how to access array elements. Right, we can access array elements using index and using pointer. Okay, how to access? I will write a program, guys, for that. Guys, how to access array elements? Two ways, right? One is using index and using right? Guys, what are the different ways to access? See, guys. Int a of 3 equals to, for example, I have taken 10, 20, 30. If you take 10, 20, 30, guys, how to access this array elements? See this. Now we are going to access array elements. See this. What is a of 3, guys? If we write a of 3, those elements stored like this. A of 0, a of 1, and a of 2. Yeah, what is a of 0, guys? 10. This is a 20. This is 30. Yeah. For example, A is what? Pointer, guys. A is a pointer here. How to access this pointer element? See this. This is 65,000. Any address it can take. For example, if it is 1000, this is 1002 is the address. 1002. This is 1004. 2 bytes it takes. Okay, 1002, 1004. Now pointer also I will take, guys. With pointer also I will take star p. What is p, guys? P is pointing for element address of A. We can write like this: p equals to address of A also, or p equals to address of A of 0, first element address. Right? We can write p equals to A plus 0. These all are same, guys. P equals to address of A. What is the p and a value? So I'm going to print. See this, guys. Percentile u. I'm going to print a percentile u and percentile u. What is a comma p? Print a comma p, guys. What it is going to print a and p? Yeah, it prints a value and p value, guys. That is but a base address. Right? I want to print all addresses also. Star p, star a also. I'm going to print percentile, percentile. What is star a comma star p, guys? What is star a star p? What is star a? That is a 10, guys. Star p. What is star p? That is also 10. First element value. Okay, now if you want those addresses, guys, now I can print the addresses slash and percentile u, and percentile u. Now I am going to print a percentile u, right? A plus 0, a plus 1, a plus 2. Those addresses it prints, right? 20, 22, 24. Now I want to print the array indexes, guys. Can I print those elements, guys? How to print? Printf percentile, percentile, percentile. Can I print a of 0? Yes. 0 of a? Yes. Next, star a plus 0. What is star a plus 0 is the address. Star a plus 0 is the value. Now can I print? That is 10, 10, 10 is printing. Yeah, can I print a different second element, guys? How to print second element? First, yeah. How to print, guys? A of 1. Yeah, can I print 1 of a? Yes, both are same. Star a plus 1. Yes, star a plus 1 also you can print. This is also valid. 20, 20, 20. Yeah, with respect to P. This is with respect to A, guys. This is with P. How to print with P, guys? I'm going to print with P. Print those elements, guys. How to print? Printf, I am going to print slash percentile, percentile, percentile. Now P of 0. Can I print P of 0? Yes. 0 of P? Yes. Star P plus 0? Yes, guys. We can print star P plus 0 also. Different is what? Both are same. A, P are the both are same. A is pointing, P also pointing the same address. P also same pointer. What is A, P values? A is 1,000, P is also 1,000. Both values are 1,000 and 1,000. A value is 1,000, P value also 1,000. What is the main difference, guys? P plus plus. What is P plus plus, guys? What is P plus plus? Next element address, that is 1,002, right? Again P plus plus. What is A plus plus? What is A plus plus, guys? Error it is. A plus plus is a error because A is a constant pointer, P is a variable pointer. That is the difference. Okay. A is a constant pointer. P is a variable pointer. We can't change the location of A. P is a variable pointer. We can change the location of A. P is a variable pointer. We can change the location of P. Okay, no? Guys, write this and draw the diagram. 0 of A with 0 distance element, that is 0 of A. Program and write this diagram. Okay. How to access array elements. Guys, completed. And write this diagram also. We can write this is a of 0 star a plus 0. What is star a plus 0? Star a means 1000, guys. 1000 plus 0. Star 1000, right? This value is how much? Star 1000. Star 1000 value is 10. You can write this value star a plus 1. Right? Star a plus 1 also, guys. Star a means 1000 plus 1 distance we have to move. That is star 1000 plus 2 is 1002. That value is almost 20. Star a plus 2. Write those values also, guys. What is star a plus 2? This star a means 1000 plus 2. Star 1004. This value is 30. Complete, guys. Right? P is a variable. P plus plus is valid. But a plus plus is error. Write this AP value same. Complete this diagram, guys. Abdul, 1000 onwards, you have to move 2 times, no? 1000 plus 2, P plus 2. We can refer address plus number. What is address plus number concept? Increment operations on pointers. Once you go through the topic, you can understand, Abdul. Okay, no? Yeah, guys, complete this diagram. Guys, please join the session at 6:30. Okay, again, because students are joining very late. Okay, by the all the students are joining, it is taking time is 7:30. Okay, by that's why we are going to start the session at 6:30. It is taking time, no? Students are joined by 6:45. Okay, now if we start at 7, guys, what is happening? Students are joining at 7:30. By the all the student joining is taking time is 7:30. Okay. Now session will start at 6:30, guys. It is taking time, right? 6:45. By 6:45 we'll start the session. Okay, now otherwise it is taking if you start at 7, it is taking time again 7:15, 7:20. By this by all the students joining. Okay, that's all, guys. Today, tomorrow we'll discuss some programs on arrays. Do some programs also, guys. Okay, we'll give a documentation for practice. Okay, that's all, guys. Today, tomorrow we'll continue the session. Yeah, Chandru, thank you. Uh, Abhinav, 4 to 5 sessions it takes. Another 5 session. We'll finish C. Tomorrow most probably arrays will finish and we join into strings. Okay.